So these are the potatoes that I bought this year, just one bag full, that should do me. And also, as you can see, I've got plenty of egg boxes. I'll show you what I'm using them for in 1 second. So, as you can see with my potatoes, they've not got many sputs on them yet. I've just bought them today. What you need to do is, the best off option is to get an egg box. What you're wanting to do, you're wanting to put the eyes, which are these bits up here, to the top of the egg box so that they're facing up, so that they're sprut easy enough up there. So you find out where most of the eyes are and you put them into the top. If you've not got egg boxes, you can use obviously seed trays, the ones that you can pot plants into, so that they spread out a bit like egg boxes, because you're not wanting the potatoes to touch each other, you're wanting them to keep separate. So yeah, you just continue putting these potatoes into your egg box until you've filled it up. So once you've filled it up, it should look something like that. Like as if you were buying eggs, but obviously filled with potatoes. So you just continue that until you've done all your potatoes. So now I've done all my potatoes, got them all in the egg boxes, all faced up, so that the eyes are facing up, so that they can sprut quite easy. Those are the mate that I've got this year. We'll see how we get on with them. You'll be able to follow my next steps later on planting them outside, and there is a way that you can do it so that you don't have to dig trenches, and I'll show you that. So then is just pop them somewhere dry, just so that they can start growing, ready for planting out, which will be in about a month and a half. Soon I'll be giving some tips on how I plant my onions. I don't plant them straight into the ground. I start them off elsewhere, but I'll be going through that on my video blog soon. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. Thank you for watching my video on my potato tips. I will be sharing more tips on my potatoes as it gets ready for planting time. So keep an eye out for that video.